From logos to listings to layoffs, today we're diving into what's shaping consumer confidence and housing. Let's kick it off. Cracker Barrel just released a new logo and it has the internet up in an arms. So look at their new logo. What do we think here?
It looks the same. There's just no guy with a barrel.
They're accusing the brand of going woke by removing
That's totally what's going on.
the guy in the barrel. And this was the first time I kind of ever made the connection that the guy is supposed to be the cracker.
Yeah, did you see that viral video? There was a lady a few days ago was like talking about
the
I
guy's
don't remember,
supposed
I'm gonna
to be
butcher
the
it, but
cracker?
yeah, he should be eating at Cracker Barrel, right? And it was like talking about basically like a whitey. Funny.
Oh,
Yeah,
is it a white guy?
Yes.
He looks yellow to me, or orange.
Well, yeah, he does look yellow.
Jay doesn't see color.
So look at this. Look at this one. I thought this animation was funny.
Oh wow,
They show him getting up. He's like, I'm out.
I'm out of here.
AI has just revolutionized these cameras. So
It
good.
has, but yeah,
So good.
So Cracker Barrel is getting a lot of heat over this new logo design, removing the guy and the barrel. Did they go woke? I don't know. Did they refresh their brand? So Chris was telling me that they redesigned the interior, kind of taking out some of the antiques.
Really?
Yeah. I haven't been to a Cracker Barrel in.
I haven't either, but
What's
I still
wrong
love
with
me some
antiques?
Grandpa's breakfast.
Nothing.
That's my dish I get there. Grandpa's breakfast.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the grits, good. It's been a minute since I've had
It's
it though.
good food, but what do we think of this new logo?
I mean,
I don't see it honestly.
really
I don't
like
see it
Cracker
as
Barrel
going
anyways.
woke. It's just I think it's more traditional for the times. I mean, you know, the rocking chair and Grandpa and his next to his barrel. What's in the barrel, by the way? Is it a barrel of whiskey? Is it a barrel of?
Or a barrel of root beer candies. I love those.
They are good.
That's one thing I love that Cracker Barrel sells. So speaking of changes, let's pivot to housing because there is some good news. Existing home sales ticked up in July. The report came out today and they increased ever so slightly, which is welcome news. They rose 2% last month.
Boom.
Yeah.
I'll take a 2%.
Like, let's go. Me too. It's better than
No
a
percent.
decrease,
Yeah,
right?
it's better than a no percent.
yeah, we went over to 400 now. The adjusted annual rate of 4 million.
Yes.
Yay.
We're back up to seasonally
into the
adjusted rate
force.
of 4.01 million units, according to NAR. Here's some other kind of nuggets that NAR released. So they said total inventory edged up to 1.55 million units, that there are now 4.6 months of inventory on the market. Here's another thing. The share of all cash transactions in July was 31%, which
Wow.
NAR said was unusually high.
Oh, yeah.
And investors made up 20% of all transactions, up from 13% a year ago. So more investors in the housing market right
What does
now.
that tell you?
Tells me investors are they're
They
seeing
smell blood in the
they're
water.
seeing what's going to happen here soon, and
Yep. You
You
said
know.
it, Jay.
they're buying the dip,
They're
buying
buying
the
the
dip.
dip,
The
baby.
dip.
Eat the dip.
and
That's exactly
it's
what
about
they're
ready
doing.
to
Don't trip,
pop back
buy the
into.
dip.
That's right. That's right. Rates are coming, right? You know, cuts are coming, and then of course all of that is going to cause a spike, going to cause the rental market to go up. So, good times around the corner, my fellow agent friends.
I agreed. The NAR economist Lawrence Young said that home buyers are in the best position in more than 5 years to find the right home and negotiate for a better price.
Yep.
I would agree.
Yep.
It's a great time.
Take advantage.
So if you're on the fence, like,
Get off.
and you can, go for it. Buy
Buy
it.
it.
It's a great time. Despite the welcome good news, Redfin released an article saying that 44% of American workers are delaying canceling a major purchase like a home or a car due to feelings about job security.
That's interesting.
Yeah, so they're still feeling uneasy.
Yeah, I wonder what has them feeling unsecure about their
AI.
sub-job market. All
I
right.
mean, we got developers that are.
Oh,
I,
yeah,
I read an article about something about developers are
The tech
getting
sector
dropped.
is taking a huge hit.
Yeah,
Yeah, like
there's
30+%,
big,
right?
big
That's
companies
like
that are starting
nailed.
to, they're not hiring developers. They're actually firing developers.
I was watching a podcast with the CEO of Salesforce, Mark Benioff,
Yeah.
and he said that 30 to 40% of their developers have been replaced by AI already.
Massive.
I mean, just like a few years ago, people were like, "Hey, yeah, kids should go to coding school, go learn to code," and this and that and the other. Now
It was high-paying jobs,
Bam!
so on demand. It changed real fast.
Yeah,
those kids that decided not to, it's probably good.
I don't know though, because there's still I still think that prompt engineering is a thing, and if you can prompt engineer in like JSON, you will get far better outputs from AI.
say
Well, like
than-
Python programmers, right?
Yeah,
They're so in demand,
it's there's still heavy demand. It's just if you're maybe
entry level.
Yeah.
You could be replaced by Cursor.
Yeah.
What was that I saw? That wasn't there like a post by like something like around BlackRock was talking about like was one of their execs or something like that was talking about like the demand for like welders and plumbers and
Yes.
like, you know, people have,
HVAC
they've missed off the
and
mark.
roofers.
AI ain't replacing you there.
No.
I mean, but at the same time, I don't know, like,
Well, they're gonna have the
Musk
robots.
yeah, I was gonna say Mr. Musk and his
Gonna get
Optimus is like moving at light
Download
speed.
the plumbing software for the Optimus.
Yeah,
So here,
yeah, okay,
now
so-
I have a plumber in my.
The
He's
Optimus-
guaranteeing that in 5 years, robots are going to be basically like normal.
Optimus electrician.
Everyone will have a personal robot. But the Optimus, so Jason, kind of explain how that might work.
Well, I mean, these robots obviously, you know, they're learning to do small things like fold laundry and stuff like that. So I think those are the very basic things like housework, that sort of thing. But eventually, I mean, there'll be
Complex
robots
tasks.
that will be able to build a house. I mean, you can
But
have someone.
I guess what I was getting at is the whole like idea that there will be like a software for applications. So if you want like the
Yes.
laundry application, the dish
Download it.
application, so you'll have this robot and then you'll pay for
You'll pay
the
for the
things you want it to do.
100%.
Exactly. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure that's
Think
probably how it's going to happen. But I think it's all about the manufacturing of these robots.
Yes.
If you know, he's been able to do it with Tesla with cars, right? To where they're able to like, you know, steam these Teslas off the line like in record time frames. If they're able to do that with these robots, then I mean, you're going to be able to.
Yeah, he definitely cracked the code
They
on
can
manufacturing.
get robots cheap enough. Then what happens?
You know, one of the things I think that we actually overlook is the start of robots to me is already there. Like I walk in, I don't know about you guys, but I walk into just about every store I walk into now has a robo floor cleaner, right? Like, and they have like little personalities. Like I walked into QT 2 nights ago and it had like eyes and it would like literally like look at you, right? Like they're like robotic eyes. It was fun. It was cute, you know, kind of thing, but it's like literally like
I haven't
walking
seen one of
around,
those.
mopping, sweeping the floor.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I've seen one in QT before. It's rather large.
Yeah, it's big.
Yeah, it's like a big.
Yep.
Just kind of maneuvers around, cleans the floor.
And they have the real big ones in Walmart, right? Like they're like almost kind of like the small. What do you call those? The ice machine things?
Yeah.
Zambonis.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so like they're like a small version of the Zamboni. And don't they actually have a robotic Zamboni now too? I think they.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
I mean, I would think so.
Yeah. It's like a big.
That's actually not even AI. They're just running a pattern
Yeah.
for those ones. But I think some of these new ones, like it wouldn't surprise me if they have like an AI. Well, shoot, I don't know about you guys. I've had a robo vacuum for a long time, right? And those things work like a boss.
I have 2 little Yorkies, and they would not like that roaming around. So
They'd be exhausted by the end of the day.
it would actually probably be pretty entertaining for them.
I don't know.
It might.
Get
Yeah.
their paw stuck in it or
What
something.
Bentley has a lot of anxiety. I think that might put him over the edge.
That would kill him.
Yeah, I think so. Well, hey, at the end of the day, whether it's logos, listing, or lifestyle choices, the common thread is confidence. So what do you think? Drop it in the comments below and let us know.